two up.
Which side?
Yep, just like that. One more in there. Okay. Alright, you'll put this in the hole in your shoulder. Okay? Just like right there. Okay? Alright, now pull it tight against your shoulder with that hand. Okay? There you go. Got your feet spread. Alright. You're going to put this right below the target.
Okay.
Okay? So follow it. Put it right below it.
Got it.
Alright, one more time. Okay, we're going to follow it one more time.
Okay. Got it.
Okay? Now, it's ready to fire. We're going to do it, okay?
Yeah, I'm firing this time.
Yep, say pull when you're ready.
Pull.
Good shot.
Okay.
Okay, one more time.
Hang on. Okay, pull.
2 in a row. Good job.
Say anything you want. We'll bleep it out.
Okay. Pull it back up. Safety zone. Now this, you're still going to shoot a little bit in front of it.
In front of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Gotcha.
Okay. Now, safety's off. That's ready to fire. You let me know when you're ready.
Okay, go ahead, pull.
Good job. Good job. All right. You get this one more time. You get four out of 4.
Okay.
Nobody's done that
No
yet.
pressure.
No pressure. All
Today
right,
or ever?
Today. You ready?
That's a lot of pressure. Pull.